Congress Party held an official program on the 18th of September 2021 at the State Convention Centre in Shillong to formally welcome the newly appointed President of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, Vincent H. Pala, into the state. Those present during the auspicious ceremony included AICC in charge of Meghalaya, MANISH CHATRATH, AICC Secretary in charge of Meghalaya, Victor KEISHING, outgoing Mpcc President Dr. CELESTINE LYNGDOH, Congress MLAs, MDCs, members of the MAHILA Congress, besides other frontal party members and workers. After the official program of the Congress Party in Shillong on the 18th of September 2021, the AICC member in charge of Meghalaya, Manish CHATRATH, while speaking to the media, stated that there are no party differences. He claimed that while looking at the performance of the present MDA government, there are high chances that the Congress Party will secure an absolute majority in the forthcoming elections of 2023.
Hand over the important documents in a file to Vincent.
Upcoming elections, you know how the government is performing.
But with so much of differences, like,
No.
Such an important...
There are no differences. You need to understand one thing. Dr. Mukul is the CLP of our party. He is almost as tall a leader as anybody else in the entire northeastern state. So there is nothing against that. So Balaji and Mukulji, both are our leaders. They'll be working together in the interest of the party and the interest of the state.
So such an important program of the party, he's missing and he's not part of it. And not only him, a few of his, Garo...
People miss out sometimes. People are not well, sometimes during COVID or something else. That's okay. But they're part of the family.
But not the whole Jing Bang.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
That's all.
That's okay.
The President of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, Vincent H. Pala, when asked about his dual responsibility as Lok Sabha MP and as President of the Mpcc, responded by saying that there is not much work in the national capital and this will enable him to concentrate on the state, which is his priority. Pala also stated that he would be touring all 60 constituencies in the state in a span of 2 months' time.
Thank you. I have to have a priority. Normally, my state is my priority. And as an opposition, I don't have much work in Delhi also. I may miss a few meetings or less important meetings. I may miss a few meetings. But I will concentrate in the state more than in Delhi. So I have to know my priority and work out in such a way my Delhi work will not be hampered and my state work will not be hampered. But I'm confident, you see, we work as a team. I'm not alone. We have the district level, the block level, and the polling stations level, and the team in the party, an executive committee, different committees. I think that should not be a problem. I have to only work harder than usual. I think that should not be a problem.